Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. The name is Nanaya and I do videos about how to make money online and then you learn at the same time. Like this one, this, or this. Okay, then if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you two legit websites. Yes, two legit websites to make all of this money. So stay tuned. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Okay guys, welcome back to my screen. This is actually my screen. So the first website that we're going to talk about is called Panel Station. Yes, the Panel Station. This is really a legit website that will help you make money online. Yes, welcome to our community. Your voice, our panel, better brands, making your opinions count has never been easier. We are here to help build a better brand experience with your opinions. For you, the Panel Station is a diverse community with 5.11 million consumers, and you can come here and then you read more. So how it works: fill surveys and share your opinion and get paid. So the first step is you register, take surveys, share your opinion, and then you get paid. Get surveys, be a part of our community to enjoy freebies, get rewarded vouchers and cash, and then you claim your points, vouchers or cash, and then share with your friends, and then you earn extra points when you spread the word. You can also refer your friends, your loved ones to these websites, and then they will pay you more for doing that. So guys, this is really legit, so make sure you check them out. So why us? Together we make brands and live better. You can, as I said, you can come in here and then read more, and then they have a bunch of payment options. As you can see here, they have Paytm. This is for the Indians. They have our favorite PayPal, something like that, so you can cash out to PayPal, and then you can download their application as well, both available for the Android users and the iOS devices, which is really good. You have a bunch of people using this. As you can see, they are global incentive partners. As you can see, this is really a trusted website or trusted application. So guys, make sure you take action. Let's watch this video, a short video, and let's see.
What if we say that your opinions can transform the world around you? That's right. Your opinions can help global brands build better products and create better experiences. Be it for consumer goods, technology, healthcare, travel, or finance. We at the Panel Station provide consumer research information to major corporations from a diverse community of over 3 million consumers from all over the globe. To get started, you just need to fill a simple registration form, fill a few surveys, which will give us an idea of your interests and background. And whoa! Get ready to take our interesting online surveys and earn reward points, which you can redeem as cash or get products from online shopping websites. We also distribute rewards worth $2 million almost every year. Isn't it amazing? Just take surveys, earn rewards, anytime, anywhere. Download the app now or log into our website.
Okay guys, so I think this is good. This is okay for you to understand this website or this application. As you said, when you reach the threshold, you can cash out your money to either PayPal or the other gift cards, and by then you can also use your money to shop online or something like that, to shop online. So this is really cool and it's really good as well. So make sure you take note of these and then earn money from it. Let me go to the register. Like, you can register here or you can fill your forms here, and then you hit on this join us, and then it will be joined, or you can also hit on this to join with your Google account. But then I'll click here where it says join, and then I'll click I'm not a robot. Very good. And I'll log in with my Google account. Okay, so I'll choose this, sign in with Google, temporarily disabled for this app. This app is not have been yet by Google in order to use sign in. Then I think it's with this okay, let me try to fill it here. Okay, let me hit on remember me and sign in. Okay guys, so this is my dashboard. As you can see in here, it's still loading though, but you can see this is my dashboard and points I've earned so far. It's like I've not been active on this actual website or website or application, but it's really legit. People are getting paid. I've seen real proofs with my own eyes. A friend of mine, my brother also, they've earned a lot of money with this website or application. So you can take notes or take action, and then you register. It's really legit. So you can see these are my points so far since I registered. And then let me click on save, and then you can also refer your friends here. As you can see, you can refer your friends. This is it, you can refer, and when you reach the threshold, you can hit on the redeem point to redeem your points. It's really good. And then these are the surveys I have so far. When if I open it on my phone, you will see that it's a bunch of surveys. Yes, it's more than 200 surveys that I have. And then you see next here, if I like on my phone, they are plenty. I see them plenty. But you see, this is a desktop view, so unless you click next. So guys, there are a lot of surveys for you to do and then cash out. And then you see that I have completed 2 surveys, and then only 2 surveys has earned me days points. So it's not something like, it's not like the other surveys sites or apps where you do even 100 surveys and then you get 2 points or 5 points. No, this is really cool. This is really cool. It's really good, and it's legit as well. So guys, take notes, and then start earning from this website or application. So welcome Nanaya. It's really legit. It's really legit. You know, I don't promote fake stuffs or something like that. And then the second one that we are going to look at is Enroll app. Enroll app. Please, I'll leave the links under the descriptions, so make sure you check them out. You know, I don't promote fake stuffs. This is Enroll app. This is what I showed you, payment proofs. I've earned from this and still earning. It's really legit. If you look at this payment proof and that one, they are legit and they are really paying. And the good news is that this one doesn't have referral program or something like that, but they promise to bring it soon as possible. And then when you register with this, you have to exercise patience when you are using this website. Yes, because one thing is that when you want to make money online, it's not like you register something like today and then you are going to earn tomorrow. It's like affiliate marketing. You invest some of your time in it and then it pays you later on. This one pays 11th of every month. Yes, you are going to get paid 11th of every month, and then it's really cool. And when you start, the payout is going to be slow, and then whilst you are using it, is going to increase and all that. So Enroll app is really legit one. Okay, so Enroll. Okay, so enroll, as it be the first, see what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You will be first, or you will be the first to get sneak peek behind screen. Take test anywhere. Addicted to your phone or tablet, fear not, you can take users tests on any devices, phones, tablets, desktop, whatever you prefer. And then the last option is that you earn rewards. So considering this, you'll be the first. See what real companies are working on. Like companies send you their works, like it could be websites, it could be softwares or something like that. So they send it to these Enroll companies, and then they also give you the test depending on your profile, the profile that you give them. So they will give you tests depending on your profiles. So if you fit the test, they are going to give you the test, and then you are the one who is going to tell the company what you think about their websites or their software. So this is not like if I say test, it wouldn't be like you are going to find a bug or something like that, a problem concerning a website. No, you are going to tell the companies what you think about their websites or their software. So this is easy and not complicated as compared to the other websites. And then you take the test. When the test is being sent to you, you are going to test it. Addicted to your phone or tablet, fear not, you can take user tests on any devices. So that is really cool. And then at the end, you are going to earn the reward. Collect badges to show off to your friends and get compensated for each test conveniently via paper. That is really good. Change the web. Be a part of the internet's next revolution. Help good ideas happen. Make suggestions and stop bad ones in their track. So this is really good, and you can see here test taking and continuing. These are the tests which has been taken so far, and then you can enroll today and make the web a better place. So if you are new, all you have to do is you put your email address here, and then you set yourself a password, and then another page will open for you to confirm your password. You do that, and then you click on enroll now. You click on enroll now. Very good. I'm a user, so I'll just open my account. So this is it. It says, hi Michael, let's make the web better place today. Keep it up on your daily questions. You are making some serious progress towards your next mission. So this is the page when you are signed. This is my dashboard. Let me put it that way. And then, as I said, change the language. Did I click on anything? As I said, when you are here, these are the polls you have to answer. So as you can see, I've answered 1,692 polls already. And then when you sign, you need to do these polls. It's like when I registered for the first time, I wasn't getting tests. So I contacted them one day, and they told me that they need to know me, and before they will know me, I have to do these polls. I have to answer these questions so that they send me tests. So I did it. I spent a whole night to answer all the polls, and then after the pool was consumed, they started sending me tests to do for money. So the polls are not complicated. Do you recognize the following test to be in the Chinese language? Yes, the test is in Chinese language. Yes, you see. Yes, would you consider a Dairy Queen Blizzard a milkshake? And then your answer shouldn't be original. You shouldn't provide. It's not necessary that by all means you have to give them a correct answer, sorry, or something like that. No, you can give them wrong answers if you want to. It's not by force to give them wrong good or something like that. So you can answer all these, and then when the tests are consumed, they will tell you that it's consumed. Once you consume the first post, you are going to get tests every day. You are going to get tests every day. and if not every day, you're going to get tests like 6 times a week or something like that. So make sure you answer the polls and then you wait patiently for tests. Working online for money is not easy, but if you want to do it, it is really cool. We are glad you will have to sign again. Okay, so this is Enroll. Is English your native language? Yes, it's not. If you can also say no, it's not by force. For example, if I click on achievements, you're going to see what I've achieved so far. You can see that I have total badges of 297. This is not easy, bro. It's not easy. I've worked so hard, and total point is 18,169, and these are the badges that I've earned. These are the badges, and these are what I'm about to earn as well. So this is not easy. You need time, and then you need to exercise patience as well. Enroll is really legit and it really pays. If I go to financials, you see that the payout balance is 2.90. This is what I will be receiving next month. As I said, they pay you on the 11th of every month. So if you have at least $1, you are going to get paid. They are going to send it to you on paper. So the minimum is $1, and then from $1, any amount, they are going to send it to you. So you see, this is what I currently have, and then if I get tested and if it increases, I'll be receiving the payment on 11th of March 2020, and then on the April, which is the next month, the amount that I have here, they are going to also pay it into my PayPal account. And then you need not to request for payouts. No, this is automatic. The moment you have the balance, they are going to send it to you automatically. You don't need to request for it or something like that. Yes, so Enroll is really legit. It's legit. So make sure I have the links under the description, so make sure you check them out. So guys, this is what I have for you today. The first one was panel station, which is really legit. Make sure you take action of that. And then the second one was also Enroll app, which is also legit. So guys, this is what I have for you. I think I would have to end here. If you love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up or like this video. Please I did not receive likes on my previous video, and then if it continues happening like that, I think I would stop doing this video, because maybe you people are not interested for me to do the researches and bring you the results. So if it continues, I will stop doing videos. But if you want me to continue, all you have to do is, when the video is uploaded, you watch them till the end, and then you hit on the like button, so that it encourages me, like, people are watching my videos, so let me do more videos for them. And then if you're new here, if this is your first time landing on my channel, my name is Nanayao, and I do videos about how to make money online and learn as well. So if you are interested in that, please don't go away. You see that subscribe button, hit on the subscribe button, and then there is a small notification there. Click on it so that you'll be the first person to know anytime I drop videos like this one. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.